Mga kaibigan, ayan, gawa tayo ng mango ice cream. Grabe kainit dito. Ayan. Pauwi lang namin sa naglalakad kami sa labas. Grabe kainit. Uy. Goy, hugas yung kamay nyo, Goy. Wash your hands. Mga kaibigan. Okay, ready? Hey, CJ. CJ. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
CJ, wash his hands.
Wash your hands.
Oh, he has to wash his hands. Go.
I didn't wash. I washed
No
my
ice
hands.
cream, no wash hands, huh?
I washed my hands. Oh, look at green. My bucky.
CJ, wash hands. No ice cream without washing hands.
I already washed my hands.
Ayan mga kaibigan. Okay.
More ice cream for me.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, yummy.
That looks so good.
Looks like mango.
Yeah.
And it's a good day. And I want the most, okay?
There's no more soap. Remember, CJ, you
play with it.
play with all the soap, so no more soap. That's what happened.
I
Go
pick bigger.
wash your hands with.
This. I want the
Go,
biggest.
go, go. That blanket, put it away. Sige na. You don't need that. I don't wanna put the ice cream on there.
I picked the
Oh,
bigger
the
one.
blanket.
Wait.
You don't need the blanket. CJ, wash your hands.
That's the most.
Are you done?
I want that one.
No more soap.
I want that.
No more soap.
The most.
Goy, gitilok na nato, goy. Wa na gyud nakikip.
Put one more for that one.
Go sit on your chair,
Okay,
please.
that's mine.
I will bring it in there. Sige na. Sit sa chair kay para dili ma-spill sa floor kay kung ma-spill na sa floor awa na yung ice cream.
Bigger.
Bigger din ang isa.
Bigger is mine.
They're all bigger, okay? They're all the biggest. You go in the bathroom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, it's good.
Goy, where's your spoon?
Mommy,
Ano maghila ka? Hugasog kamot mo hila? Ano man? Kung sa may problema, ano maghugas o kamot? There's no soap. No more soap. Remember? You play with all the soap. You play with all the soap. So you wash your hands
Tasty.
without soap. Because you play with all the soap. That's why next time, no more playing.
Mango ice
We
cream.
still have soap.
Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Kojiba. Musiba. Tada. Hey.
Okay, happy na sila?
Gusto.
Goy, goy, goy. Go. Aham,
Ang
kutsara.
dagi.
Kutsara, goy, kutsara.
It's good, CJ. Mama, it's tasty.
Yummy?
Yeah, try it. Oopsie. Alexa, that me. It's pretty little.
You spilled? That's okay, honey.
Come on, Mama, try it.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
It's good.
I'm good. I make it for you. Ayan mga kaibigan. Sa man eh, wala na to. Wala na to, CJ. Oh, tubig mo yan. Okay. And this is yours. Put it closer. Oh, ganyan. Ayan, nag-enjoy na sila mga kaibigan. Okay. Sige. What's na? Na. Wala man tay cone. Oy, sarap sana pag may ice cream cone.
No.
That's a fruit bags. That's a fruit bag from the mango pala.
Yucky.
They like your fruit. That's why you're gonna watch your ice cream because the ice cream is all fruits. Enjoy na enjoy sila mga kaibigan. Thank you Ate Dada sa mangoes.
Mom,
Ayan.
I'm gonna make a blueberry sorry. Sorry, and blueberries is
Are you happy, CJ?
no.
No? Why you're not happy?
Because there's bugs in the ice cream. Bugs in ice cream?
Okay, give it to me. You're not happy? I eat it.
I'm happy.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Louder. I didn't hear you. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy, Goy? Are you happy? Yes or no?
Oh, nuts. The bug scared me. I made it a mess on me.
Because the mango is fresh. Mayroon nakapasok na fruit fly.
Ew! Now I'm done. I don't want it.
You don't want your ice cream?
Yeah, I don't want it because there's fruit flies.
Goy. They don't eat your ice cream.
Ugh.
Okay, then give it to CJ. CJ will eat that.
Mom, take this off me so the bugs don't go on me. Ew! This is like fresh. Ugh. So I'm gonna change my pants.
Okay,
And
go
the
change
bugs don't
pants.
go on me. Ah!
CJ, leave it there. Leave it on your cup. Excuse me.
Yes, you.
Thank you. Ayaw niya agoy-agoy kay mayroon daw dumapo na ano yun, yung fruit fly lang good na maliit. Ay da. Ayaw niya. Hinahinay lang kay ma-brain fresh yung gana doon. Kay ano yan, malamig. Ma-brain fresh yung ka doon. Hinahinay lang. Saman. Sa mukha ni nga fly, oy. Nakapasok man dito.
Okay, I'm all done.
Okay, good. You want your ice cream now?
Yep. But it has fruit flies. Because you're eating fruit on your hand. You have fruit here. Now you have fruit.
Oh, di si CJ, left and right. Sige. Hello, si CJ ang...
You have fruit hair. You have fruit hair.
No.
Yes, I do.
The fruit flies are friendly. Oh, I got them. I got the fruit fly.
See?
I got it. Bye-bye. Done. Sige na, kainin mo na yung sayo. Goy. Doon. Ay. Diretso na. Sit down doon, be. Na. Ako na. Mag-ako bagong, yan.
The fruit flies always come to CJ.
Boy, it's gone. No more. No more na.
I hate fruit flies. They're not nice. They're not nice. I think they're not nice. We are not friendly. We're not nice.
They are friendly, Goy.
No, they're not. They were eating us. They're trying to take our food. Not funny, yeah.
I-frozen natin to si Ja. I-frozen natin yan. Para mamaya. Ano man? Hello sa inyo. Shout out. Uy, sarap na sarap si Don Julio sa ice cream. Yes, Lodi Gambol. Rowell Malabote. Merna Pinkian. Emeline Gabo sa Palawan. Si Kugon Island, Carles Iloilo. Hello sa inyo dyan. Israelita Lagasca. Polumok, Juliana Umay. Edith Pascual. Ma'am Jima Bistal. Panghatag si Jiog Ice Cream, Levina Rimonde. Oh, ayaw ni sini agoy-agoy na kay meron daw yung bags ba na maliit. Meron kasing mangga dito mga kaibigan na hindi ko pa kasi green pa eh. Hindi pa siya total hinog kaya yan ang dinadapuan ng langaw. Glinda Marsha. Gloria Diaz, Lanao del Norte, Ma'am Juan Parads. Ayan, oh. Wala. Sige, CG. Ruby Cabarles. Oh, si ako yung mga kaibigan, nagpinting lang siya doon, oh. Nagpinting lang man ng agoy-agoy. Tapos si CG, kain ang kain. Enjoy lang doon. Sige, fresh mango. Hello kay Lisa Villabrel.
Fresh bugs.
Hmm?
He's eating the fresh bugs.
No.
He's eating
Oy, unsa man? Nasulipan na. Nahinay lang diya. Ang tubig, anak.
He has his ice cream today.
Hello, Maria Teresa Coloraton. Tagom, Mamo Saragina. Hello, kids. Ma'am Cynthia Amasan. Kunti lang, CJ. Next time, mag-ano tayo ng may cone. Wala tayo cone. Naubusan na ng cone. Hello, Ma'am Len Kaimen. Watching sa Mindanao. Jenrek, Colorado. Watching sa Bicol, Magdalena Soliman. Hello sa inyo, good evening, Ma'am Juvie Franco. Sarap ng gawa mo. Vilma Casaol. Oh, gumagawa lang ako dito, ma'am. Iniipon ko yung mga prutas. Oh. Oh, may ice cream na sila. Yan yung ano nila, paborito. Maganda yan kay walang mga nilalagay na anong mga fake sweetener, natural ba. Puro lang yan fruits.
Hello.
Thank you, CJ. Thank you. Ilagay ko to sa freezer, mga kaibigan, maya. Okay. Ayan. Pag gusto nila, mayroon pa. Sarap yung ano, no? Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng sugar. Basta mas matamis na mangga, hindi mo na lagyan ng asukal. Na, lami para to. Hindi na ito malagay sa freezer. Sarap. Hindi na kailangan lagyan natin ng sugar, no? Wala na itong sugar, mga kaibigan. Ano na, pure prutas na. General Santos, Rogelia Lobria. Ma'am Vilma Casaol sa Bicol. Siya sa Mindanao. Hi, Don Panic. Thank you for watching. Kumusta mga kabayan natin? Azores muna. Watching sa North Cotabato. Edita Acuna. Ayan. Rogelia Lubria. General Santos. Kumusta na po kayo dyan sa Jinsan? Yung mga napiktuhan sa Lindol. Okay na ba? Ito paano? Ahon-ahon na ng konti. Hello, Ma'am Mary Ann Valencia. Thank you for watching, Ma'am. Marinas Cavite. Si Ma'am Azores Mona. Hello, Auring Yem. Vilma. Thank you, Ma'am. Hello sa inyo, Amping, Anisita, Cantal. Thank you po. Purok Manga, Ilaya, Glan, Saragani Province, Ma'am Daisy Sison. Kumusta mga kabayan natin, lalo na dyan sa Glan, yung mga napiktuhan sa, may baha din, di ba, yung lindol. Sana'y okay lang kayo at palakasan ng loob, kahit papaano. Diba? Ganun talaga ba? Hindi naman natin alam yung kailan darating yung mga ganyan ang mga kalamidad, no? Nakatatag lang po kayo dyan. Lalo na dyan sa Glan Sarangani. At sa, ano yun, sa Ginsang. Ubus na ni CG ang kanya. O sige mga kaibigan, maghugas na ako. Hugas na ako sa mga ginamit. Thank you po. Ingat kayo lagi. Kita na ulit tayo sa susunod. Bye-bye. Si Jessie, bye doon. Si thank you. Uy! Na, hindi naman eh. Gihotoy naman noon nga naka-ice cream. Gihotoy na si CJ nga naka-ice cream. Sige mga kaibigan.